Hey there, Marty here to give you a sneak peek into what's happening this month over on Patreon. When you join me on Patreon, you'll get instant access to learn fun and forgiving painting techniques for beginners and beyond, to grow your skills and boost your creative confidence. In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 levels of membership and show you what my Patreon members are enjoying right now. Every level of membership unlocks my private Patreon community, where you can access my Patreon-only posts and learn, connect, and grow alongside other patrons. The first tier of membership gives you access to monthly art journaling tutorials. You'll learn easy-to-follow painting methods that can be applied to any surface. This month, community members are learning to conquer blank canvas syndrome with my journal page quick prep technique. As a community member, you'll also get behind-the-scenes updates from my studio that I don't post anywhere else. And you'll get a monthly discount code to use in my online store. When you take advantage of your discount code, your Patreon membership basically pays for itself. You'll get a new code every month to use toward awesome products that I design and original art. When you upgrade to a creative membership, you get everything included in the community membership tier, plus access to the complete tutorial library. This means you can view all current and past month's tutorials to your heart's content. You'll also get a monthly coloring page bundle that you can print or color digitally, and a monthly downloadable wallpaper for your phone, tablet, and computer. Creative members also receive early access to sign up for new online art classes before the official release date. When you join with a student membership, you get everything my Patreon community has to offer. You'll have access to everything from the first 2 membership tiers, plus monthly art journaling process videos to watch me work in my personal journal and see my creative process unfold in real time from start to finish. I'll talk you through my techniques and supplies and give you tips along the way. There's a new 1 hour or longer video added every month, and you get access to the complete library of all previous month's process videos. Student members also get surprise bonus content like extra downloads, creative prompts, and additional tutorials. Plus, a monthly discount code for my online art classes where you can expand your learning to multiple mediums. Get started today at patreon.com/Marty Tribble, and let's make some amazing art together.